don't have his materials or haven't seen what they are the best, the top quality and educational, and everything is researched and backed up. Most of your quotes are not coming from chiropractic journals or that. You're getting quotes from the AMA and the
Journal of Neurology, Neuroscience,
epidemiology. I mean, it goes on and on.
The Lancet, which I love,
and
Cell, which I love.
Your ability to find these and search it out and then put it out there and relate it to what we do in chiropractic is just second to none. So
thank you.
I encourage all of you, if you don't have those, I don't care what level your practice is at. If you're just getting open and trying to grow it, it'll help. And then if you've got a stable practice, you've got that referral practice, it just builds that whole culture of your practice of what it's about and getting people to be, on your team, if you will, on your mission. And that's what you want, is your patients taking up your mission the way Keith has taken up the mission of us chiropractors out there. So thank you for that. And I don't know if you have a particular story or one of your favorite chiropractic stories.
Yeah, I'll tell you
that you want to tell as we finish up here.
Yeah, I'll tell you a chiropractic story. And I was new in chiropractic. I was still recovering. I was probably 4 or 5 weeks in, maybe a little bit longer than that, because I think I was back actually at work on it. So probably 2 months. And this chiropractor that I was seeing said, "You need to come to my new patient workshop." I said, "Okay." And he talked and never really got around the principle. It was MDs suck, drugs are bad. We don't mask symptoms. We get rid of them naturally, which is not very correct. I mean, for a lot of reasons. Find a good pillow, bend your legs when you lift, and don't eat sugar. And I'm sitting there taking notes. I even brought a little tape recorder. And I'm looking at him going, well, it's all good and well, but we didn't quite get it. So he says, well, come back next week. And I said, is it going to be any different? He goes, oh, yeah, it'll be completely different. Well, it was the same. But about halfway through his talk, there's a woman sitting next to me with a little baby boy, 9 months old. And the kid's just, just fussing. And the mother's trying to rock him, like that. And the kid was interrupting the class. Just, he's wheezing and stuff like that. And everybody's kind of looking. And she's right in the front row. And this doc, he's wearing a white lab coat. He stops and he goes, "Ma'am," he goes, "let me see your baby." She kind of held back like, what? He goes, "Let me see your baby." And she hands him to him, and there was a table right behind him. And he lays the baby down, and he does the palpation, and he does such a gentle adjustment that it's almost, you almost couldn't tell, especially to the untrained eye. And he picks the baby back up, and all of a sudden, this kid just like turns different colors of the rainbow, starts vomiting, snots come out of his nose, his ears, he's pooping, all that. And it's all over this guy. I mean, this guy's just covered in feces and vomit. And people are screaming. I mean, people are like, the mother's freaking out. I'm freaking. I'm ready to call the police on this guy. What did he do to this kid? And literally about 30 seconds later, all of a sudden the kid stopped expelling. And the guy took one of the towels that he had nearby and wiped the kid clean. He said, "He's fine now." He was subluxated. And I went, whoa. And that was a huge impact on me. The guy couldn't communicate it verbally, but he demonstrated that to me. And that was a huge, and I've seen similar stuff, but that's one of my favorite early on stories,
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, I always like to hear those stories, no matter how long I've been around chiropractic and so forth. But we really appreciate you coming on with us today, Keith. Again, I can't thank you enough for what you've been doing the last 41 years. And I know you're going to keep on doing it, whether it's another 20, 40, or
Yeah.
50 years, whatever the good Lord
Correct.
blesses us with.
Yeah.
But thank you, and anything we can do from our level to support you,
Sure.
we'll do that.